Hi everyone, this video today is following on from my previous videos around astrology, and today I'm talking about the third house. So this is all about the different areas of our lives, whether that be ourselves, money, death, career, all sorts. So let's find out what the third house is all about. So I'm gonna look at my notes because I'm still learning, and yeah, I'm finding it really interesting how all of these different houses can affect us depending on what planets are in there and what star sign are in that house. It's just super interesting, super complicated, but I'm kind of putting it into a logical order so that once I've digested all of this, I'm going to be able to explain it to everyone in a really simple way, which I think will be really helpful. And I know there's lots of people I've been speaking to that are really keen to get their birth chart done, and not just, it's not a case of just having your birth chart done, but it's the interpretation that goes alongside that. So I'm really super excited about it, and it's really helpful for young people as well, to give them some direction, sense of purpose. There's so many benefits. So yeah, can't wait to get started. So the third house is of communication. So it's all about self-expression, family ties, and day-to-day travel. This house governs the way you think, the way you speak, and the way you write. It also includes things like memory and manual skills. It indicates the type of early education that you received and your ability to study and learn, so how well you can take information in. Your relationships with your family and neighbours are also part of this house's influence. Short trips and vehicles are governed by the third house, especially travel to work or education. So there we go. So that's all the areas that are covered within the third house. So far we've had the first house, which is all to do with self, and the second house, which is to do with money and possessions, and now the third house, which is to do with communication. Next up, fourth house.